Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm taking advantage of this beautiful weather we have here today to start moving some of my plants back here. So the plants that I'm going to be transplanting back here today are these Hydrangeas macrophylla, also known as Mophead Hydrangeas or the French hydrangeas. I've been observing these hydrangeas in the backyard here now for some time, and I believe that they'll look much better on that side where I have the stones. Plus, I want to free this space to transplant some of that sedum that I have here and also complete that line of bulbs that I initially put in last year. So I'm going to go ahead now and start digging up the hydrangeas. I've already made the space available on the other side where I want to plant them. So let's see how it goes. So when digging up the hydrangeas, I'm going to make sure not to stress the plant too much. I'm going to maintain the root ball so that the plant can easily transition and settle in nicely in their new location. Now over here in the new spots, I've already dug the holes in which I'm going to be putting the hydrangeas in. I've amended the soil with some compost and I'm adding in slow release fertilizer. I'm going to be dividing one of the plants because I don't have enough, but it's very important to water the plants after you've planted them and also make sure that the soil is well drained. So as I was dividing one of the hydrangeas, I found a few branches with roots on them. So I'm just going to be taking those and putting them here in the ground and hoping that they'll grow to become plants of their own and that I'll have more hydrangeas back here. Now this variety of hydrangea is one of those that changes color. So far the hydrangeas have stayed pink for me, and that means mostly that my soil is very alkaline. So I need to add soil acidifier to try to get them to turn blue. And that is something that I very much look forward to doing next season. Maybe we'll have a few pink, a few blue, and we'll see what comes in between. Another thing that I've noticed on these hydrangeas is the color of their leaves at this time of the year. We are now in fall, and you can see on this one particularly that it has this red, lush and beautiful red color. So it'll be interesting to see as the season progresses if all of them are going to adopt this rich red color. And I welcome that because that will help provide some instant fall interest in this area of the backyard. So that was it. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye bye.